How to cope with uncertainty. Best tips to cope with uncertainty. Tips to cope with uncertainty. 1. Instead of worrying about the things that you can't control, focus on the things you can control. 2. Develop an internal, rather than an external, locus of control. People who have an external locus of control see other people and events as being in control of their moods and destiny. That generally leads to unhappiness and a victim mentality. People with an internal locus of control see themselves as being the author of their life. Thus, regardless of what happens, they still believe they choose their own responses and destiny. 3. When everything feels uncertain, prioritize and take control of the 1 or 2 things that are most important to you. For example, if you move away, the most important thing might be to find accommodation. If you are in debt, the most important thing might be to find a job. 4. When it feels as if decisions are outside your control, keep making small decisions so you feel you have control and are not just at the mercy of others or events. This can be something as small as choosing which new clothes to buy, or deciding where to go or who to see at the weekend. 5. Finally, remind yourself that even when things don't go according to plan, there are usually